Hey, can you quickly tell me the average sales for each product category?
Absolutely. Let me show how fast AVERAGEIF can give us the answer. Welcome to day 1 of our new series of 30 days Excel function challenge. Today's function is AVERAGEIF. Comment if you have any specific function in mind, and I'll add it to the series. Let's begin. First, select the range containing the product categories, press F4 to lock it. Next, select the product category cell. Then, select the sales data range and press F4. Close the parentheses and press Enter. Drag the formula down. And it's done. Here are the average sales for all our product categories.
Awesome. That was quick. Great job.
It's day 2 of our 30 days Excel function challenge. Today, we're looking at the unique function with a twist. Did you know you can use it to create not one, but 2 different lists? Let me show you how. Let's start with the distinct list. Simply type is equal to unique. Open parenthesis, select the range, and close parenthesis. Press Enter. Here's a list with all distinct values from the data. It removes all duplicate entries. Now, here's the real twist. By adding one more argument, we can find a unique list. Type unique, select the range, comma, again comma, and write true. Return items that appear exactly once. Press Enter. Now you see only the items that appear exactly once in the data. One function, 2 incredible results. Did you know about this trick? Let me know in the comments. Changing numbers for a VLOOKUP formula is frustrating. With Match, it becomes effortless and dynamic. It's day 3 of our 30 days Excel function challenge, and today's function is VLOOKUP. Imagine you're working with this data and want to find sales details using the invoice number. Normally, you'd use VLOOKUP and manually enter the column number, like 4 for quantity or 6 for unit price. But if a new column gets added, the formula breaks, and you'd have to fix all the numbers. Here's where VLOOKUP with the match function saves the day. Type VLOOKUP, select lookup value, select the array, type match, open parenthesis. Next, select the column name, select the entire column list, 0, close parenthesis, 0 for exact matches. Hit Enter, drag the formula, and let Match dynamically update the column number for you. See how easy and efficient that is. Wait, someone's earning more than me? Time to find out who. Just kidding, but let's use Excel to count how many employees are making more than the average salary. It's day 4 of our 30 days Excel function challenge, and today's function is COUNTIF. We've got a list of employee salaries, and we need to count how many are earning more than the average salary. Type COUNTIF. Open parenthesis, select the salary data range. Now comma, in quotation mark, type greater than sign. Then ampersand, now type average. Open parenthesis, again select salary data range and close parenthesis twice. And there you go. Now you know exactly how many are above average. Day 5 of 30 days Excel function challenge. And today's function is filter. My HR colleague was struggling to keep track of employees' birthdays for the upcoming month. So, I made his job easier using the filter function. Type filter, open parenthesis, select the array of data. In this case only employee's name, birthdate and department name. Now comma, text, open parenthesis, select the list of birthdate. Add a comma, type M for 4 times. Close parenthesis. Now, type equals to, either type the month name directly or select a cell where the month name is mentioned. Close the parentheses and press Enter. Now, we have a list of employees whose birthdays are coming up in the selected month. Try this out and let me know if you found it useful. If you work with lists in Excel, you need to know this. Welcome to day 6 of our 30 days Excel function challenge. And today's function is TOCOL. Imagine you have list of candidates in different columns. You need them in one clean list, but how? Just type TOCOL. Select the array, comma. Type 1 to ignore blank cells, comma. Type true to scan it by column. And that's it. No more messy data, all stacked neatly in seconds. Ever faced this problem at work? You have data in one column and want to transfer it into multiple columns. Doing it manually is not an option when Excel can do it in seconds. This is day 7 of 30 days Excel function challenge, and today's function is WRAPROWS. Type WRAPROWS. Open parenthesis and select the data. Enter the number of columns you want your data to wrap into. In this case, it's 4. Close parenthesis and press enter. And just like that, Excel neatly arranges your data into rows. Stay tuned for next function and follow for more Excel experience. What if you get web data like this and need to separate it into different cells? This is day 8 of 30 days Excel function challenge, and today's function is TEXTSPLIT. Type TEXTSPLIT, open parenthesis. Select the cell. Comma, in quotation, type, column delimiter, colon. Again comma, in quotation, type row delimiter, Alt plus enter. Close parenthesis and press enter. This is how you can separate text into different cells instantly. Stay tuned for more Excel functions and follow for more Excel experience. I want to sort my data based on order priority. High, medium, and low. If I do sorting normally, I get priority in the order high, low, and medium. This is day 9 of 30 days Excel function challenge, and today's function is SORTBY. Type SORTBY, open parenthesis, select the data. Now comma, type match. Open parenthesis, select the priority column. In curly brackets, in inverted commas, write high, medium, low. Then type 0, close parenthesis. Again comma, and type 1 for ascending order, and press enter. And just like that, my data is sorted in the correct priority order. Try it out and follow for more Excel experience. Need to find the last date of the month for multiple dates? Let me show you a super easy trick using this Excel function. Welcome to day 10 of 30 days Excel function challenge. And today's function is EOMONTH. Here, I have a list of random dates in this column. Type EOMONTH. Select the date. Comma, type 0 and press enter. Then drag the formula down, and Excel instantly gives you the last date of each month for all dates. We can even find first date of each month using the same formula. In place of 0, type -1, close the parenthesis and write +1, and press enter. You now have the first date of the month.